everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to create a channel on Viber. The first thing you do is open up your Viber app, and then next thing you do is click on the message icon by this corner, this one over here. Click on it and you see options for create new channel. Second option, click on it, and now you have opportunities, unlimited opportunity to create a channel to post your content to an unlimited audience. So you can use message statistics, insights, message scheduling, and a channel alias to manage your channel easily. You can also get your audience to tell you what's on their mind with comments, reaction, polls, and so much more. Let's create a channel. Click on create channel. Here you have to put in the information like the name of your channel. You can describe your channel, that's optional, and you can put an age restriction, so people will have to confirm that they're 18 plus to be able to subscribe. And then you put in the picture right here. So once you're through with all this, you can add a picture by clicking at the top here, and then add a channel icon or picture from the gallery or from your camera. Then put in the name of your channel, put in the description of your channel, and once you're through with everything, click at the top here to create the channel. So let's create a channel. Let's name it Big. Don't ask me why. Describe your channel. My channel is big, so I call this big. Okay, big. So now let's describe the channel. Channel is big. I don't want to waste our time. I put age restriction, and then at the top is creating, and that's it. The channel has been created. So now if we go back, we should be able to see big channel. Where is it? Big channel. Just simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.